What's up, everybody? It's me, Brandon Green, owner of Gold Element Autoworks. I'm driving my 2003 SL55 sitting on Silver's Neomax adjustable coilovers. It is a fantastic ride. I love this car. It's one of my favorite cars to drive every day. With the Silver's Neomax adjustable coilovers, it is more stable regarding being reliable and regarding the confidence knowing that I'm gonna get to my destination safely without having to worry about a tow truck. Anyone who owns a Mercedes with ABC, active body control suspension, understands that it fails. And when it fails, it can fail miserably in the worst circumstances. So being able to drive this AMG, it's a tuned AMG, highly modified AMG. To be able to drive this thing aggressively without worrying about failure is an absolute blessing and dream come true. So I do love it. I want to make a point real quick though regarding those who order Silver's Neomax. Many times people just Google Silver's Neomax and they go to the website to Silver's and they order the coilovers. The problem with that is then they contact me asking me specific questions as to how to install them, how to adjust them, what tools they need, things of that nature. So I'm giving away a lot of free information that the very company who sells these does not give away. A matter of fact, if you call Silver's and then you ask them specific questions regarding the installation process and what do you need, they say to call Brandon Green. Go to www.goldelementautoworks.com and to contact me through the website or directly in order to find satisfying answers, because I have the experience, because I'm the go-to regarding how to do this. There are other people who have installed them who can give you a generalization as to how to do it, but when it comes to experience, I personally have the most experience out of anyone because I've been the one to install these over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. Customers, they fly in, they ship their cars in, they fly in to drive the cars back, they transport them in, transport them back, they drive them to me to Cincinnati, Ohio to get these coilover jobs done. I have them scheduled out all the time, almost like every week or every other week I have a coilover job coming through. You can go to my YouTube channel and see these coilover conversions. Sometimes I give a detailed explanation as to how to do it. Sometimes I just give a before and after type tutorial. But anyways, I highly recommend that you go to my website, www.goldelementautoworks.com, and place the order, because if you do that, not only do you still receive the same product, and they're sourced from the same place that Silver's sources them from. They are, as of right now, for the next few months, they're being built to order. So when you place an order, it doesn't matter if you order them from me or from Silver's direct. It's a 2 to 3 week build time. You're not going to receive the coilovers for 2 to 3 weeks as of right now, and that happens when inventory runs out. A ship of them comes in, a large shipment of maybe 100 plus comes in, and then once those are ran out, then they are built to order until the next shipment comes in. And with them coming in from Taiwan, and with all the tariffs and all the delays in shipping, importing, the port issues, they are being delayed. It's just what it is. The big shipments are being delayed, and so they're being built to order and basically drop shipped directly to the customer. Now, if I'm doing a coilover conversion for you, then they ship to my house, and then I install them once I get your vehicle. But either way, if you plan on doing a coilover conversion, either you're doing it yourself or you're paying somebody else to do it, anticipate 2 to 3 weeks before they get delivered. But again, I want to make the point that if you go to my website and order them from my website, then you also get me, right? I'm there to assist and to help. It's just pretty much out of respect. If you want me to help you with the coilover conversion, then show respect, and the money that you're going to spend anyways, make sure that you spend it and it goes to where it most benefits you. You see, it benefits you because you're going through my website and you get me. You get all of me regarding how to do it. I can assist you through call, video chat, through messaging, through email. I'm here to assist you with the process. Do you know how many shops have contacted me directly? How many shops have called me up and asked me how to do this? So, because many people will need my help through the process and I'm available through the process, just order them through me. I have your contact information. I'm able to reach out to you to do follow-ups to make sure that everything is adjusted properly and that you're satisfied. Because my whole goal not only is to run a business, but it's to make sure that you as a customer are taken care of. That's my whole objective. I started this business for free. I was giving out free information on YouTube explaining the process without making a dollar. So just because it is an established business that is profitable doesn't mean that I care less about you and your individual needs. So please don't hesitate to go to the website. That's Gold Element Autoworks in order to make your purchases. Again, they come from the same place as if you went through Silvers. Matter of fact, I have a working relationship with NOM Industries, the parent company of Silvers, Neomax. We work together. That's why they say contact Brandon Green. Go to his website if you need the additional parts or information on how to do it. They still get money when you order them through me. It's a business. Just stop overthinking it and go to my website and place the order. All right? That's just what it is. So show respect. Stop disrespecting me and ordering directly from Silvers and then asking for my help. That's the point of this video. Goodness, I'm here. I'm putting myself out there. I'm sacrificing my time and energy. What other company does that? What other owner of any company does that? Nobody. So, in order to benefit you and to have a better experience regarding this coilover conversion, because it's very scary. You're modifying your Mercedes-Benz. You're taking the fabulous Mercedes engineering and you're customizing it to your specific needs. You're altering the original design. That can be scary. So you want to make sure that when it's done right. First of all, I know how to do it right. I've been doing it. I am doing it. I'm going to continue to do it. That's what I do. I have a job coming in. If not today, it'll be here tomorrow. I just scheduled another job for 2 weeks from now. And I have another one coming next week. So they're coming in. It's springtime. People want to drive their SLs. They want to drop the top. And they want to be able to drive confidently without failure. So I'm here for that. So give me a call, guys. Area code 513-967-8079. Go to my website, www.goldelementautoworks.com, and place your orders. Stop playing. So disrespectful. So disrespectful. If you want my help, please order through my website. And I do ship internationally too, by the way. A lot of companies don't do that because of the risk involved. I will ship to Canada. I will ship out of the country. I have shipped to the UK. I haven't shipped to Africa yet. Somebody almost closed the deal, but they backed out because they had some other issues. But I will ship internationally. Just know that. It's going to cost additional. It's free within the US, but I will ship international. So reach out to me if you have any questions. Go to my website. You can also message me on my website. You can email me from my website. You can call me direct. Call or text. I'm always here. Brandon Green, owner of Gold Element Autoworks, area code 513-967-8079. Talk to you guys later. Peace out.